Amitabh Chaturvedi. He is the founder and director of Innova Point Infotech Private Limited. He is mechanical engineer turned IT expert. He did his engineering from NIT Bhopal in 1992 and started his job with Bajaj Auto, Pune, and later worked with Ashok Leyland Infotech, Atos, and XPX Flow. He worked in USA for 9 years and has a very rich and unique combination of manufacturing, ERP implementation, and information technology experience. For the last 16 years, he has been helping Indian and global automotive clients, including Bosch USA with the Industry 4.0 and IT needs. Amitabh is passionate technocrat who wants to solve shop floor challenges using the latest technology. Today, Mr. Amitabh will talk about current traceability challenges faced by industry and transcending solutions. Let's welcome Mr. Amitabh.
I'm going to talk about quickly three aspects. One is who we are, then what do we offer, and third is how we are helping factories with their traceability challenges. So we are a technology company with strong manufacturing and automotive background, and we are in Pune, and we're in business for last 16 years. We basically offer two things. One is the Industry 4.0 framework and its implementation services, and also the software development services. For both of them, we work with many manufacturing organizations. And as Trishna said, for our IT services, we work with Bosch Automotive, US and France very closely. When it comes to technology side, we do work with a lot of latest technologies. So just to name a few, we work with .NET Core, Python, various cloud offerings, artificial intelligence, and those. So that's about short about Innova Point. And coming to our Industry 4.0 offering, I'm going to quickly share my screen. We have built this framework in last few years, and we have named it SF Hawk. SF stands for Smart Factory, and Hawk is something that keeps a good eye on the factory. So that's how we have named it, and it's a platform, as I said. It is built on top of 4 pillars. And so these 4 pillars are data collection, the data transfer, storage, and of course the analytics layer. So for data transfer, which is one of the most critical aspect of Industry 4.0 or any digital initiatives, we have built, designed and built our own hardware, our own gateway, which we install on machine, and we get real-time data from machine, equipment, or gauges, or various types of equipment. Then being an IT company, we understand the aspect of data security. So across all these, we have very strong data security aspects built into it. So whether it's the product itself or it's the implementation type, that's where that's data security aspects we keep in mind. Now with this platform, what we are doing is we are building various industry solutions. So we have machine shop solutions, which we are implementing at various places. We have packaging solutions, we have other solutions which we are working on, and that's how we are building various solutions one after another. And what is common across these? There are many things common which we have kept as a standard offering. So be it efficiency monitoring or production monitoring, energy, and the traceability. So these are common across the platform. So we have those ready. Now, we believe that every factory is unique. They have unique processes, they have their unique equipment. So it's not one size fits all type of philosophy that we follow. So on these building blocks, then we actually try to give them a tailor-made solution for their requirement. So this is what SF Hawk is all about. Now I'm going to share 2 traceability related challenges that we faced, and and we solved. So I'm going to stop my screen now. Traceability, as we all know, it's not new, it's been around. But as we have been working with various shop floors or factories, we started to realize that the traceability has started to become more and more wider, more and more, now they are asking, customers are asking for more amount of data, more data elements or data points. So that's where we come across various situations. I'm going to share two of them with you. So one is where we work with a machine shop. They are machining the engine blocks and supplying to an European OEM. And the requirement from the OEM was that every engine block has to be its machining data, its live machining data has to be stored with every engine block. So the data requirement was the speed, feed, override, every block of the CNC program, its individual cycle time, any alarms which are coming during the machining, all these have to be stored. And the client, they realize that it's not going to be possible with the traditional way of doing the traceability or traditional automation. So they were looking for somebody who could do it and also do it in a reasonable price. So that's where we worked with them. And our solution was, we put our hardware, and these were Makino HMCs. These were they were running professional 6 controller. So we had our hardware, and through the Ethernet we started getting data, and we actually get the data every 100 millisecond. So that's the frequency we really needed in order to get all the data which was required. So, and then we have the scanner attached also. So all the processing of marrying the scanner and the data all was happening at the gateway, and then we are storing the data. So this is what one complex situation which I thought I should share with you. And this was not only for the machine shop, it actually the requirement for the entire shop, right from beginning of casting till the shipment or the packing. And we were invited for the machine shop first, and later on we worked on the heat treatment side as well. The second use case which I'll share with you, that is more on towards the end of the process, which is the packing. So that's where we worked with another factory there. They were also into the engine part, and this time the part was connecting rods. So for connecting rods, what is interesting that in every engine, or I'll back up, every connecting rod is given a grade based on its weight. So grade A, grade B, C, likewise. And every engine has to have the connecting rod of the same grade. If that's not the case, then the engine goes off balance. So that's where the lot of discipline comes into picture when you are shipping the product, when you are packing. So the process requires that in the box, there are various layers, and each layer has to have same grade connecting rods. So, but due to human errors, once in a while, some mix and match happens, and the entire lot gets rejected. It's a huge loss for the client. And also sometimes the bad quality parts also get shipped. So that's where we discussed, and the solution which we came up with is we have the SF Hawk running at the packing station. And when the connecting rod is scanned, then SF Hawk checks all the quality stations data, checks and make sure that it's all right quality of the. Basically, we integrated the gauges actually. So we had gauges, all the parameters, all the dimension, everything. And then we also get the grade from the grading machine. And then there are a lot of process validations which we have to do in order to make sure that the operator is putting right grade at every layer. And at the end, it's the right quantity, right quality, right order, and all the traceability in terms of what is going in what box and proper. So this is what the second case which we worked with. And we are currently working with many industries, and right from, I mean, we are trying to work and come up with solution for the entire plant, right from raw material till the bagging. So that's what we do, and it's very interesting. We are enjoying. It's understanding the problem and then coming up with creative way to use the technology and solve the industry problem is what really keeps us going. So that's all about us. So Trishna, back to you. Thank you very much.